This Dr. Airsoft product review is brought to you by Mad Bull Airsoft and SOCOM Gear. Hello and welcome to Dr. Airsoft Practical Testing Knee Pads. This time I'm talking about the Dexter Meadows clip-on Special Operations knee pads. Dexter Meadows, that's actually his name, came up with this model of knee pad by having a clip that attaches the knee pad to your pants so it stays in place instead of moving around like many pads will do. They'll slip down. We talked about that earlier with another brand of knee pads. The clip-on knee pads by Dexter Meadows will stay on your pants exactly where you attach it. Now if your pants slip up and down, that's a separate problem. You have to deal with that yourself. But if you're having normal pants, they stay in place, these knee pads will stay put. Also, what's really unique about them is that you can leave the knee pad in place when you take the pants off. As long as you're not washing them, that's fine. Now if you're washing them, you can actually leave the clip in place and just take the pads off, and when you put them back on, they're in the same place. To put the clip on, I like to grab it right at the seam because it provides a nice surface for the clip to grab onto. Some people like to get a little bit behind the seam, and that's going to give you a tighter fit around the leg, more similar to the straps that get tight and get restrictive on your leg. So take the clip open, put it on there, snap it in place, and then put on this industrial strength elastic band, and that's going to keep it from accidentally opening when you're playing. And there it is. To take it off, you remove the band and undo alligator clip. Once you get the clips attached to the right location on your pants, then it's just simply a matter of feeding the straps through the clips to put the pads on. And they'll always be in the correct location on your leg. Straps are all you have to put on. The clips are already in place and they already have the industrial strength rubber band wrapped around them, so you don't even have to mess with that. Then when you're done playing, you can actually take your pants off, leaving the pads in place, or if you want, you can take the pads off. For example, if you're going to wash your pants, take the pads off like that. As far as the elbow pads, there is some slipping going on, falling down. You can see that these are quite tight against the elbows. The Velcro's even overlapped to the point that it's got a flap sticking out. And they seem to be falling down when I'm playing. So I would probably prefer another brand of elbow pads over the Dexter Meadows. If you're in the market for some knee pads, you want to look at specialopskneepads.com and check these out. For the most part, they seem to stay in place where you want them. Again, that's specialopskneepads.com. Check it out. I do encourage you to look at airsoftmedicine.com. My website has all the information that we cover on these videos. Also, you can become a fan on Facebook of Dr. Airsoft. That's Dr.Airsoft. And you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is Auburn Medical Group. No spaces, just Auburn Medical Group. Until next time, this is Dr. Airsoft saying, play safely. This Dr. Airsoft product review was brought to you by Mad Bull Airsoft and SOCOM Gear.